Chiang Mai, baby. Get out and get about. Gotta see what's around. It's Thailand, baby. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's about. Can't get enough. It's Thailand, baby. I'm so ready to see. Wanting more than this. I know it, but what am I to do? I need to check out more of the country. So give me more to see. So give me more to see. I need more. Chiang Mai, baby.
Okay, this is like Yellow in Zoe, I believe. I'll label it accordingly. But there's all these kind of clubs and bars in here, so we're gonna start in the street and kind of show you what they look like. It's a bit early, so they haven't quite started yet, but they got some live music, and we have tents in here too. So let's check it all out. Chiang Mai. Okay, Chiang Mai, Thailand. This is Zoe in Yellow. This is a nightlife district in Chiang Mai. So we put all this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And now we're just gonna go check it out as if you were there yourself. Come on, let's go. Okay, so hello. So we got Smokey's Chiang Mai live music. So I think there's a few of them that will have some live music in here as well. So we're gonna meander in. So we're gonna walk down this way a little bit, and then we're gonna go in as well. So just to kind of give you an idea. It'll be much crowded later. It's still early. It's not even. Oh, here's like a beer pong thing. Tequila margarita bar. Okay. So I guess this is getting all set up. I guess it hasn't quite opened yet, so they're still setting these up. Let's walk over a little bit. Zoe in Yellow Pub. So a little bit early. It's Havana. And this one is Roots, Rock and Reggae, and then there's a street food yard live music straight ahead. So let's just take a look at this. They had live music the other day in here as well. Let's get a little bit closer into it. Okay. Got a pool table stage, so they'll have reggae music. So yeah, this will be quite a bit busier a little bit later, and it looks like it's geared for tourism. Zoe in Yellow. So Zoe in Yellow is the one that's kind of most recognizable. I think I saw that when I was looking at different places to go in the evening. Zoe in Yellow was mentioned. Okay, so my plan is to go to the left, but before we go left, we'll look to the right. So yeah, this little place, it looks like there's more down that way, so we'll kind of give you an idea of just kind of random it's an Indian restaurant there. Let's just kind of go down the middle of the street here. That music will affect the video, so have to be a little bit careful. Anything that's recorded will. Another bar, Weatherspoons, barbershop. scoop over there. So it looks like we have a little handful of some bars and let's see, on the road books. Huh. We have beer, as cold as your ex's heart. On the road books. Long time ago in Thailand, a lot of people would read books. Don't really do that so much anymore. But yeah, when I first came to Thailand, which was 29 years ago, that was really common that you'd have DVDs. A lot of bars right here. DVDs, you also have a lot of bookstores. Here's a kebab shop. Let's just kind of take a look here. I'm going to try to go across. Oh, there's more. Here's some other ones too. So I got quite a few. Bookstore, mini mart, kebab, bar, Chiang Mai Saloon Sports Bar. Let's see what else is here. Tourist information. This looks like we have a little cluster of them. UN Irish Sports Bar is coming up. Different restaurants. A little bit of a walking street. Let's see. Got a 7-Eleven. Kind of want to walk into that walking street. Irish pub. Lots of foreigners. Let's see how much a Guinness is. 300. It's about 12 American dollars for a pint. They got comedy. Okay, let's go down the alley and see. So we do have lots of different bars. And then this is a little Market Street. I think that's also part of the Irish bar as well. So they have it indoor and outdoor. Hello. Let's see. We'll just kind of meander in a little bit. The Shire. Cold lemonades. Hello. Okay, so we got more stuff in here, reinventing Market Square. I don't want to move the camera around too much because it's a little bit not good with these cameras. So we got to keep it focused. Jewelry. I think we're just going to walk all the way down. A lot of different music here. Yeah, a lot of expats live here. I read it was 30,000. And there's also a lot of backpackers and guest houses and hotels. 8 with TT house. Nice quiet lane. Anyways, getting an idea of random Chiang Mai. Sitting at those little bars, and now we're in the back streets capturing stuff before it gets too dark. Can't really.
First is mine, and then afterwards is
Room Quest. Actually, this street has quite a few interesting things. that music will affect my video again. So it sounds like good music. Let's see if we can get by it without it affecting the video. If it could. Oh, that could be live music. Okay, if that's live music, it's fine. It's right there.
Everyone cheer up.
Okay, let's keep on moving. Actually, there's a lot of
C'était ma première destination pour la première fois que j'étais en Indonésie, c'était il y a 10 ans. Et je cherchais, vraiment, je suis très courante de voyage, etc. À Bali, sur les bateaux. Mais comme j'aime la mer, etc.
Cooking.
Et en fait,
Okay, so you got a little taste of different elements of Chiang Mai. So there's a lot of different stuff happening here. Yeah, the city, it's a lot going on for a small place, relatively small. Okay, so anyways, I think what we're gonna do is just end the video, but you got a little taste of Chiang Mai, a couple things I didn't even expect myself.
In a stroll, seeing what's about.